Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Losel. So today I'm going to show you some dresses that I got from Meesho under 500 rupees. So the first thing I got is this bodycon dress. This bodycon dress is like the quality is also very good, and I got this dress in large size. So if you're a girl who is like tall like me, this dress is perfect for you because the size and the thing is like fitting for me, and the color is also very dark in real life, and everything is good for this one. The next thing I got is this white dress. This white dress is a little bit of see-through, but everything is good and it is cheap. So if you really want this white dress, this size is small dress, a small size, and the dress is like you can wear it under some like red dresses, like black dresses. It will look like a little bit of like village girl thing. And the next thing I got is this blue and white dress. This blue and white dress is also very pretty and very cute. And first thing is that I got this in large size, so I thought that it's very big, but it came up with like waist tie, so you can tie it up. And the thing is that also in front there you can make like little bit of cute bow here, and the size and the color and the quality is also good. The only thing that I'm disappointed is that the one hand is like little bit of like stretchy and tight, but this one is like loose and not tight. Yeah, that's all for this. And this next one I got is this dress. This one looks like, this one dress, it looks, like the red one flower is much more highlighted, and but in real life there are so many flowers here. So first time when I purchased from Meesho, I thought it will like only be like this one flower, but there are so many flowers, so many colors, and so I don't like this one. If you are a girl who like so many flowers, I think you should go for this one, and the quality and everything is good. Yeah. And the next thing I got is this black dress. This black dress is like a little bit of like smoke dress, but the thing is that it has came with like elastic bands, but it is little bit covered with flower design. And this one is like free size, and it has like floral design here and also in here. And this one is also thin and perfect for summer. Yeah. And the next thing I got is I purchased a white dress in Meesho, but it came a wrong product, and it came like this dress, like leopard one. So I don't like this one dress, but so I'm going to return it. And this one is like a little bit of like, it came up with the same one, the elastic one, and this is also same, like one is like little bit of loose and one is like little bit of tight, and the quality and everything is like good, and it's perfect for summer. But I don't like the color, and I don't like because it's like the product I purchased is like it came out wrong. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.